Hi and welcome on the highlight booth. Today I wanted to talk to you about our new Showtec QubiQ smoke machines. In total we have 4 models. 3 of them is the smoke machine, the 1000, the 1500 and the 2500, and this one is the phaser, it's the F1500. The QubiQ, as you can see, is our own new design. It's very sturdy, it's very cool to see, and there are a lot of very nice details on it. For example, the safety eye and the ergonomical handle. The QubiQ is something special for Showtec because of the extra features, the software inside, and the extra safety measures, which makes it a very reliable machine. Because of, for example, the fluid sensor, which will tell you on the display that it's run out of fluid. And also the temperature sensors will always keep the heater in a safe working environment and make sure that the temperature is optimum to get the best fog out of the machine. On the back side and also on the controller, you can see a display which gives you all the information, like the temperature of the machine, the output of the machine, and for this one, because it has a fan, also the fan speed. The output of all the machines is from 0 to 100% adjustable, which makes it suitable for very small venues to very large venues. Because of the advanced software, the temperature will be constant and therefore you can output the fog constantly in any situation. So this was a very small talk about our new QubiQ smoke machines and the phaser.